All right, 11/20/24, charging the Aura Mini split system continues. So here we go. Okay. So now we're gonna lock up everything here. We're gonna turn this baby back on and went to sleep. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and open the refrigerant. And now it should be dropping. It is dropping. All right. We're at 9.5. 9.5. The only other problem is there's actually nothing sucking this thing in. It's just filling up the line. 9.25, but this line's pretty big. All right, we're at 9.15, and we need to get down to 8.44. Okay, we're dropping. You can see refrigerant in here. We're at 9. Doesn't seem to drop anymore. So it looks like the line is full. It doesn't want to take anymore. Alright, so I'm going to lock this up. That's all at once. Okay, I'm going to lock that up. And then I remember now I'm 9.0. And then I'm going to let this thing turn on. Hope for the best. Let's take the phone with us for that first time turning on. 9 pounds there. Oh, I better put my glasses on. I have to release the gas here. Okay. I don't hear any noises. I wonder if this thing is empty. Alright. Let's turn it on, see how we do. Don't know, baby.
It's getting chilly. Sorry.
Go to auto. Auto. Set temperature to 74. CD, follow me, swing, direct, turbo, self-clean. Feels so quiet.
It's supposed to be
It's
loud.
supposed to be quiet.
No. Maybe we should make it hot. Or make it cold. Make it cold. It doesn't go below 70. 67 now. Hey Google, what's the temperature right now?
In Castro Valley, it's currently 61 degrees.
It's 61 degrees.
I need to go poop.
I guess we'll make it hot then. I can hear something moving. Let's put the phone down for a second. Let's load up this battery.
That's becoming louder.
Okay.
You can hear it.
Oh, it's like 76 right now. 85. Oh my gosh, it works. It's coming out with heat.
Dad, turn it colder. I don't like it hot.
Wow, miracle. The unit works. Where is the phone? Miracle, the unit works. Hey Google, what's the temperature right now?
The temperature in Castro Valley right now is 61 degrees.
It's 61 degrees outside. I set the inside to 77. And my temperature gun is showing 93, which is awesome. 97 now. 99. Perfect. So we're making heat. And then let's see if this thing will swing. Swing mode. Swinging on. Alright, it is swinging. Now will it do it left or right? Follow me. What the heck does that button mean? Silence. Mode, fan, swing, or direct. No. Follow me. I don't feel the heat anymore.
you heat?
We're at 85,
I need warmer.
97. Alright, so let's see if we can get this thing to... I'm going to turn off the follow me part. Don't know what that follow me means. Well, let's go ahead and go to 60s. Let's get this room cold. Alright, the heater is slowing down. So we want it to be 62. It doesn't go below 62. So hopefully in a little bit it's gonna get cold. It's 85, 92. Alright, we're gonna hang up this video as it's a success, because if it's getting hot, then it's probably capable of getting cold. Well, let's just check. We're at 85, 77, 83. Let's go ahead and check outside to see if that fan is spinning outside, and there's a difference in temperature outside, and we can also feel the lines. Oh, this thing's not spinning out here. One was hot. This one's cold. Low battery. Alright, we're at 8.9. I'm just gonna turn off the tank. Okay, the tank is closed. Both of these are closed. I don't see the fan spinning. No. I'm not getting cold. Alright, we're gonna have to pause this long video and wait till it gets cold. Maybe from heat to cold, it takes a while to separate, to switch over.